Alright guys, welcome back to the second episode of Clash Quest. In this episode, I'm going to go over a couple tips and tricks, as well on how to beat the Lava Golem on level 12.5. So, let's get started. Now, I have not gemmed once in this game, and this is my progression from the first time you saw the video. So, I got two guys at level 6, level 5s, and so on. Now, I'm going to do the league play quickly so you guys could see how the league works, and I will talk a little bit more about the league. So let's get started. Now, before I get started with league, I want to show you this is day 5 currently, and day 1 I got 3 trophies, 4, 5, and 5. Now, there's a level 1, number 1 guy that's has 29 trophies, and if you look at his squad is level 7s and 6s. So right now the league play is a little unbalanced because either two things are happening. He's gemming and he's gonna push to, silver 2, 3, gold, and so forth. Or I did not start playing right away, and the matchmaking right now is kind of weird because it is early release. But my goal is to make it to top 5 so I could at least get to silver 2. So let's go ahead and attack. So what I do first is I click on most of this objects and see how much health pool they have. So this wizard needs to go. So I'm going to use a rocket on it. And then another 530. So this two had to go, because there's no way I could kill them like legitly. Now I do need to make room for my melee. So let's see what's better. Should I do this? 1, 2, 3. So I will use this. That way I could break the fences. Now it gives me access to the front. So I could send my goblins and kill those two. Goblins are okay to use. Ooh, and it looks like I got a box out of that. I'm very curious now. And this... I want to save my archers, because archers could shoot over the fence. And I'm going to go with a rocket because there's probably going to be another high level enemy. Okay, so that's one. We're going to go with wizards. Now let's see, 300, 200, 200, 300, 300, 200, 360, 180. So we're gonna do the wizards because I want my archers to be together. We're gonna get another P.E.K.K.A. Now check this out. I could combo really well right here. Yes, I could have sent my goblins to do a little bit more work, but I think that was a really good play. So these things are 360. So if I send both, P.E.K.K.A.s do 500 damage. So that's kind of an overkill. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to kill that. And now this is a good kind of trade-off. I'm gonna go with more wizards. So I like stacking wizards here because I could break the walls. And then definitely this. And for this, I'm probably going to send 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll sacrifice my archer because that way I don't have to use my book, and I could send 3 of these guys. Okay. Now, this is where wizards come in. We're gonna grab this one. That's 630. So see, it's gonna take forever to kill them. All right. Ooh, 8 or 3. So 8 guarantee me. This is interesting. So I'll have 4 rockets, so I could get past this level easily and combo it later on. So we're going to do 8 of this because I have the wizards for combo right here. And now we're gonna choose this. So now, because I chose that, you could easily take all of this out. So my goal is to get to top 5. So here I could go for greedy play, or I could go for a smart play. Which greedy play would be goblins because they wouldn't do that much damage. Rockets, 7 of them. That's possibility of 7 targets. So we're going to do that. Yep. See, goblins would not do any damage here. Almost nearly any damage. So we're gonna break the fence here. Now everything is going to die. If I would have leveled that rocket a little bit more, I would kill that mortar without using 2 of them. But unfortunately, that's a little better. So since that's going to die, should have used the P.E.K.K.A. Okay. So that's going to give me more troops. So I get to stage 5, which that's all I wanted to do pretty much. And let's see if I could do a good combo here. All right, so let's see what I get. So sometimes you get these boxes. So I got an extra giant, which is usually like $10 if you buy it from the store. Which I saw I got the box very early in the game. So this was actually a really good run by me. You see, there's a strategy involved in it. And I'm tied for, well, I'm 7th place. Some of these guys just have level 7 troops. It's nearly impossible to get there. I'm trying to, stay even at 5, 5, 5, 5. It's tough because right now there's a little unbalance going on. So anyway, that was that, and the video is taking way too long. So let me quickly upgrade my unit. And let me show you how to do the lava golem, which I promised. I was going to go over secret, not secret levels, but like barrel levels and all that. But let's go to Lava Golem. So the trick to this Lava Golem, and it's very simple. He has left arm, right arm, and he has the body. Now what you want to do is you just want to aim for his body. If you kill the body, he dies. And the way to do this is you wait for both arms to raise up. And it rotates every 3 turns or 4 turns. So what we're going to do here is we're going to send a goblin to break the walls first. So you see he raised that arm. So we're going to be... I should have used this right away. That was a dumb play by me. Completely forgot. Anyway, that's okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to send the goblins to attack the arm. It's okay. We're gonna break the wall with our spell. And now we have to stall for time. Why we have to stall for time is because I misclicked right there. Oh my god. So see, he raised his body. So what we want to do here is attack directly into his body. And to do that, you want to place all of your guys to go directly for his body. And this is actually a good attack. I messed up that one. But you see, his body took a lot of damage. Now we have to stall time again. This is a good combo because it does AoE damage. And we're going to be stalling time until he raises both his arms. So we're still stalling. So that's why you gotta leave single guys. And you see now, he raised his body. And I built the giants. And now he's going to die. So you always want to leave single guys to not do the combo. And then when he raises both arms, that's when you want to have your combo ready. So that was pretty easy because my troops are kind of leveled up. But I did beat him a few levels ago when they were level 5s. And my first things I was doing is attacking left and right arm and focus for the body. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Kind of, 13-minute video again. Leave me a comment below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment what you want to see next. I will try to do this every week, 1 episode, 2 episodes, depending on how this goes when this game gets released. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.